Hello guys. I am not in my sewing room. I am out here in the beautiful elements. I am traveling, and amongst my stop I saw this beautiful area right here. I am near the waterfront area in Montgomery, Alabama. So I thought this would be the perfect place to showcase my make that I finally got finished. And I told you about this on the last video. So what we're going to do is talk about how I hacked this pattern, as well as I'm going to give you a few YouTube announcements. So the first thing I want you to be aware of is this month we're going to do the collaboration with myself, Lara from Sewing Up Styles, Ausset from Ausset Stitched Treasures, as well as the wonderful Grace from So Lovely with Grace. We do this collaboration where we take denim and we create something. I also wanted to show you guys that I had to bite the bullet and I had to get some glasses. And so I am in transition into getting used to these, and you can see they turn to like little cool shades when I'm out in the elements, which is a nice feature. But I had to do what I had to do. I couldn't see myself I couldn't see trying to thread the needle, and I was like, okay, this is getting ridiculous. So I had to go to the eye doctor, guys. So now I have glasses. So we're going to talk about what I'm wearing and how I came about this. So this is a season where the ladies, a lot of the ladies in the sewing community are doing pattern hacks, something I've always done since I've started sewing. Because sometimes I can see shapes and I can see another way that I would like for them to be put together, and I'll just try it. Nothing beats a failure but a try. So you must try even if it doesn't work out. So with that being said, I have been trying to do a little more pattern hacks since the ladies have this going on this season. I think they have what they call a hackathon, and I want to say it may be going through August, but I know it was definitely going on through July. So just watch YouTube for that. Now this is a pattern, and I don't have it because I don't have any other sewing items with me right here while I'm doing the video, but I will put a picture up here of the pattern that I used to create this dress. Now I did tell you that on the dress, I did tell you that on this pattern, I used the back as my front piece and my back piece of my bodice. So with that being said, it's a little boxy. So I will show you pictures of it in the box format. I also used the skirt of the pattern, and I cut out 4 instead of 2 to make a fuller skirt. I also used the sleeve pattern of the dress to do my sleeve. To add a little contrast, I lined the neckline and up under the sleeve with bias binding in the color white. I thought that was a nice element. And actually, as I was making this dress, I was actually thinking of another pattern that I really love, and if I can think of it, I'll put it up here as well. It is a Vogue pattern, and as I was making this dress, I thought that would be a great dress to hack, because you could do so many things with the lines in that top and that skirt. So I think that if I do another hack with a top and a skirt, I think I'm going to do that. Okay, there were people passing by, so I had to pause. I also, because the dress was boxy, I remember a dress that So Lovely with Grace did, and I like the shape. I like the loose shape, but she didn't necessarily like the loose shape on her, and she created a belt to go with the dress, and it cinched in her waist, and it made it look it gave it a total different look. If I can find a picture of her wearing it, I'll put it up here. But I thought that was a clever idea, and I was like, oh, okay, so this dress was boxy, and I added it's not straps. I added ties to the side. So I can't, because I'm outside, I can't show you the inside, but once I get inside and take the dress off before I edit the video, I'll try to show you how I did the inside. So because of the way I finished the inside, it was I wasn't able to like open it up and slide the the tie inside the seam to make it look more seamless, but I attached it anyway and it gives it a different look. So let me see if I can untie it so you can see the boxy look I'm talking about. So without the ties, you see it looks boxy. It's straight up and down. And I added the ties, and you really can't see them. Let me see if I can get you a closer look. You see how I added the ties? So I added the ties to cinch in the waist. So when you tie it, it gives it a whole nother look. Now it is a bit short. You can see it comes above my knee, so I have on shorts underneath. But I like it. I think it's turned out really cute. Let me see if I can come back. So I like it. It turned out really cute. I like this fabric. I did this fabric with another dress that I'll put a picture up here as well, where I mixed it with denim. Cute dress. Love that dress. So the fabric turned out, now you can see my flower is growing down. That is upside down. However, with this fabric, the flowers were going in, so the way I cut it, it makes it look like it's going down, and I probably should have turned it up. But all in all, I think it's really cute. I love it. It's kind of dainty. I guess it kind of looks little, it reminds you of the little Sunday dresses you used to have to wear to church. But I like it. It turned out pretty good. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing and tuning into my YouTube channel. I try my best to post a video every Friday. I'm not always able during this season anyway. But things are going to slow down really, really soon. So I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. As always, you are so special to me. Thank you so much for tuning in. And a special shout out to Miss Annie. I hope that you are feeling better. We miss you over on Legionnaires channel. I can't wait to see you when you're up and you're doing better and making new videos. We all miss you. As always, have a great day. See you. Bye-bye.